The Statue of Liberty was considered a lighthouse and was listed under the Lighthouse Board as a lighthouse. But its design made for a poor lighthouse, nearly invisible at night. For this reason, the Lighthouse Board never really considered the Statue of Liberty a critical aid to navigation. Although the Statue of Liberty made a terrible lighthouse, it quickly became a landmark that defined the New York City skyline. Many immigrants arriving in New York said when they saw the statue for the first time, it evoked powerful feelings for them, and they found the statue very welcoming. Because of 9/11, you were only able to walk around Liberty Island and go to the base of the statue. You were not allowed to go any further, which was a shame. But for years, you have not been able to go up to the torch when you are inside Lady Liberty. Her arm is just not strong enough to support all the people. But you can go up to her crown, and you get a beautiful view from up there. Well, at least you used to when you were able to do that. I don't know if it's open yet or not. But if you get a chance, go out and see her. She's breathtaking. We are now waiting in line at Liberty Island to take the next ferry into Ellis Island. We are pulling into the boat dock at Ellis Island, which is where immigrants coming from Europe would have landed. And they all prayed that they did not find anything wrong with them, or they would not have been permitted to enter. my great-grandmother came from Europe to the United States from Germany. And we spent some time looking for her in the archives at Ellis Island, but we did not find her. And it could be she had a maiden name, which I didn't know. I only knew her married name.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.